Hey everyone, welcome back to Worldwide Industry Pulse. Today, we're diving into a massive industry that touches almost everything in our lives, the chemical industry. Whether it's the materials in your smartphone, the food you eat, or even the medicine you take, chemicals are everywhere. But how much do we really know about this vast industry that helps shape modern life? Let's break it down. What exactly is the chemical industry? At its core, the chemical industry is all about transforming raw materials, like natural gas, oil, minerals, and water, into products we use every day. Believe it or not, the industry produces over 70,000 different things, from fertilizers and plastics to cleaning products and medicines. It's a pretty big deal, right? But the industry itself can be broken into a few key categories. Basic chemicals. Think of these as the building blocks, things like acids, salts, and petrochemicals. These are used to create more complex products. Specialty chemicals. These are more tailored, high-performance chemicals like dyes, pigments, or resins used in specific industries like automotive or electronics. Consumer chemicals. These are the products we buy directly, like laundry detergents, cosmetics, and personal care items.
Why is the chemical industry so important? Here's the thing. Without chemicals, most modern industries wouldn't exist. The chemical sector is a multi-trillion-dollar global business. That's right, it's worth about $5 trillion globally. It creates millions of jobs and fuels innovation in everything from manufacturing to healthcare. The chemical industry's ability to adapt and evolve makes it one of the most dynamic sectors out there. Chemical companies invest billions of dollars into research and development, constantly looking for the next big breakthrough to stay ahead of the competition.
Key segments and their impact on everyday life. Let's break down some of the major segments in the chemical industry and how they directly impact us. Petrochemicals. These come from oil and gas and are used to make plastics, synthetic rubber, and fibers. Think about your car's tires, food packaging, or even your clothes. Petrochemicals are involved. Agrochemicals. These include fertilizers and pesticides, essential for growing the food that feeds billions of people worldwide. As the global population keeps growing, the demand for agrochemicals keeps rising to ensure food security. Pharmaceuticals. The chemical processes here are responsible for creating the medicines and vaccines that save lives. Everything from basic aspirin to advanced cancer treatments relies on the chemical industry. Polymers and plastics, love it or hate it, plastics are everywhere. Bottles, containers, packaging, medical devices. The innovation in lightweight and durable plastic materials is driven by chemical companies. Fine chemicals. These are produced in small quantities but are incredibly pure and complex, often used in pharmaceuticals and high-tech industries like electronics and biotechnology. Global players in the chemical industry. The chemical industry is truly global, with major players spread across different regions. Some of the biggest names include the United States, home to companies like Dow and DuPont, leads in both innovation and production. Germany, known for its engineering prowess, boasts chemical giants like BASF and Bayer, which excel in specialty and fine chemicals. China, in just a few decades, has become the world's largest chemical producer, with companies like Sinopec and ChemChina leading the charge. India is quickly emerging as a leader in agrochemicals and pharmaceuticals, with major players like Reliance and Tata Chemicals expanding their global influence.
Environmental impact and sustainability. Now, here's where things get tricky. The chemical industry has a significant environmental impact. It uses tons of energy and water and produces a lot of waste, including greenhouse gases. In fact, it's one of the largest industrial polluters in the world. But here's the good news. Things are changing. Green chemistry and sustainable practices are becoming more common. Companies are investing in cleaner technologies, using renewable raw materials, and adopting circular economy models, where waste gets recycled into new products. Governments are also tightening regulations, pushing chemical companies to be more eco-friendly. So while the challenges are big, the industry is moving in the right direction.
Technological innovations shaping the future. The chemical industry has always been a hub for innovation, and right now, we're seeing some amazing new trends that are reshaping the future. Digital transformation. Industry 4.0 is here. Technologies like AI, machine learning, and big data are revolutionizing the way chemical companies operate. From supply chain optimization to predictive maintenance, digital tools are helping streamline production and improve efficiency. Advanced materials. We're talking about cutting-edge materials like nanomaterials, graphene, and conductive polymers. These materials are making waves in electronics, energy storage, and even medical devices. Biotechnology. By combining biotech with traditional chemistry, we're seeing innovations like bio-based chemicals, bioplastics, and biofuels. This is leading to more sustainable alternatives to traditional chemical processes.
Challenges facing the industry. Of course, like any industry, the chemical sector has its share of challenges. Regulation. Governments around the world are enforcing stricter regulations around safety, environmental impact, and sustainability. This is raising costs for companies, but also pushing them to innovate. Supply chain issues. The global supply chain has been under a lot of pressure, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic. Raw material shortages and logistic bottlenecks have made life difficult for chemical producers. Energy costs. The chemical industry is heavily dependent on energy, especially fossil fuels. Fluctuating energy prices can affect the bottom line, and with the push toward renewables, the industry is having to rethink its energy use. Sustainability consumers are demanding greener products. This puts pressure on chemical companies to come up with eco-friendly alternatives, particularly when it comes to reducing plastic waste and carbon emissions.
So what's next? The future of the chemical industry is bright, but it's going to require a lot of innovation and adaptability. Here are a few things we can expect. More digitalization. Digital tools are going to play a bigger role, helping companies optimize everything from production to distribution. Circular economy. Recycling and reusing materials will become the norm, reducing waste and helping the industry become more sustainable. Collaborative innovation. The chemical industry will work more closely with sectors like tech, energy, and agriculture to develop new products and solutions. Sustainability as a core focus. With increasing consumer awareness and stricter regulations, sustainability will be at the heart of future innovations. And that's a wrap. The chemical industry might not always be in the spotlight, but it's one of the most important sectors in the world. Whether it's developing new materials or finding sustainable ways to produce everyday products, the chemical industry is shaping our future. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more deep dives into the industries shaping our world. And hey, if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the